Hey everyone, it's Nomad Flair here and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing 2 accessories every car owner should have for the iPhone 13 Pro. In case you are wondering, I own the 256GB version in Sierra Blue. If you watched my iPhone 13 Pro unboxing video a couple of months ago, I mentioned I won't be attaching a case to my phone because I didn't want to spoil the look. However, a couple of days ago, I dropped my phone and fortunately, there was no damage. So I decided to pick up an iPhone case which is MagSafe compatible and only a third of the price when compared to the original. Initially, I used to own the Yoshi car holder which worked really well with my Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. I of course didn't want to do the same thing with the iPhone 13 Pro, so I did a bit of research and I came across this third-party MagSafe case on Amazon. This case will cost you £15 with a range of different colours to select. I'm actually thinking of picking up another case and most likely will be opting for the clear version. The corners are shock absorbent, the case is higher than the screen by 0.8mm, which will reduce the chances of cracking the screen. Additionally, the camera cutout is 1.5mm higher than the camera lenses. Lastly, this case also has an anti-yellowing effect, which is usually a common thing with clear cases. Okay, so we'll start by unboxing the case. So the colour I opted for actually resembles the Sierra Blue, which is actually nice. A bit of information on the bottom left of the packaging. There are 2 protective film layers on both sides, which need to be removed. The case is made from durable hard plastic, which feels very firm. Before placing your phone into your case, I recommend just cleaning your phone from any dirt or smudges so it's not visible once the case has been attached. I prefer to use these spectacle wipes which work really well. When attaching the case, make sure to press down all the corners. This fits perfectly and feels very snug. No loose edges from what I can see. At the back we have the MagSafe design. On the Apple website, a similar case like this will cost around £40, which is overpriced in my opinion for a phone case. I highly recommend getting this one, which I will link down below. And then just looking at the button cutouts and the charging port, we just want to make sure that everything is sitting perfectly and visible with no audio blockages. Yeah, and as you can see, everything looks how it should be. Now onto the phone mount. This consists of a powerful magnet and includes a 15-watt fast charge. It states that the car charger only operates with MagSafe cases only. The car charger mount will run you around £28 on Amazon and is not only limited to the iPhone 13 Pro, so it can be used with any iPhone 12 or 13 models. The great thing I like about this mount is that you have 2 different ways to mount the holder, either by using the air vent or using an adhesive sticker to place it anywhere you like in the car. Whichever mounting option you go for, this won't drop on you when you brake abruptly or when driving over a speed hump, etc. First thing we have is a magnet, which again we don't need, but we do need the magnetic charger on the opposite side. As you can see, it's quite large, but I am happy with this as it gives me ease of mind knowing that my phone is secure. The box also includes a charging cable, which I'm guessing is around 1 meter in length. We also have the adhesive sticker, which we won't be using as I'll be mounting this onto the air vent. We have this ball and clip looking piece where the ball end will be inserted into the back of the charger and the opposite end will clip onto the air vent. Rotating will tighten the clips. I highly recommend reading the instructions manual before trying to mount the car holder. So I'm going to be testing this out now, and as you can see, yep, it sticks perfectly. It's very, very secure. At the bottom of the magnetic charger, we have the charging port. We're now going to assemble everything together and then head to the car and attach it onto the air vent. Okay guys, so we're in the car now. It's time to replace my Yoshi and slap on this big boy. So I'm holding the camera in one hand whilst trying to mount this, so excuse the unsteady footage. So to conclude, I highly recommend getting these 2 products due to the price and the excellent build quality. Together, this will cost you around £43 in total, which is around the same price for the official Apple MagSafe case alone. So if you found this video to be useful, I would appreciate if you could leave a thumbs up, subscribe and turn notifications on. If you do decide to pick any of these accessories up, then please let me know down in the comment section below. And until next time everyone, take care.